Here we come to the elevator to tracks 1 and 2. Jefferson Station in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis from 1984. P, close it up. This is at the 12th Street entrance, I believe. Just put on my... Here's my baseball cap, because I know you guys are familiar with the beanie from my videos on some elevators back here. Here we are at P. Go back up to S. There's Jefferson right there. Wait, I want to see where this is. This is 12th and Filbert. That's what I thought. Barely lights up. Go back up to S. Close it up. Hello. Here we are back at S, back down to P. Yeah, you can barely hear the voice on this one. We're going to end it at S. I'm gonna try and get all 4 elevators within the next 45 minutes. Here we are at P. Do not lean against the doors, except as iconic sign. Here we are at S, and that's it.